Today, we're announcing a new lawsuit that is being filed by 5 Palestinian and Palestinian American plaintiffs against the State Department. And this lawsuit is very simple. It's a lawsuit where our plaintiffs are telling the US government, obey the law. It's a very simple ask. We're just asking the US government to stop sending US weapons to abusive Israeli units who have been using these weapons to kill Palestinians.
The State Department has not shown any willingness to apply the Leakey Law to Israel. It has not shown any inclination at all to find Israeli units that have committed gross violations of human rights ineligible and tell Israel to prohibit them. What the Leakey Law requires is for the State Department to give the country in question a list of the ineligible units and gain assurances that that country will not direct U.S. assistance to those units. It's very targeted.
I have family all over Gaza. Starting in October of last year, my uncle, who lived in Gaza City, was forced to flee in that initial bombardment early on in October, I guess the second week of October, to the southern city of Rafah, where he found refuge, first to Khan Yunis and then Rafah. Family members on both sides, cousins, uncles and aunts residing in Khan Yunis and Rafah have also had all of their homes destroyed. They now live in temporary shelters, tents that have been provided by relief agencies. Unfortunately, we've also had family members who have been killed. Our goal in pushing the U.S. government to adhere to U.S. law is to prevent further atrocities from developing.
We're back in the region at a time of